Meaning of DPP.
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 DPP. DPP stands for Deferred Prosecution Agreement, which is a legal mechanism that allows prosecutors to suspend criminal charges against a defendant in exchange for certain conditions, such as admitting responsibility, paying fines, and/or agreeing to cooperate with an investigation. If the defendant complies with the agreement's terms, the charges are dropped after a set period of time, usually several years. DPPs are commonly used in cases involving corporate fraud or other white-collar crimes, and can be a valuable tool for law enforcement to secure cooperation and restitution without the expense and uncertainty of a trial.